guys, Shay here. We've got another brand new release from Munimade. It is a Femke Deborah, which if you like her artwork, there are other paintings by her on the website. Today, this one is called the Seamstress. Look at this beautiful seamstress. Looks like she is in her yarn room, craft room. Yeah, let's just take a look at this painting first and just kind of go over it, and then I'll tell you all the details. It looks like, again, she's working on something, on a project. Looks like she could be like an elf, I would say. Love, love, love. Well, she even has a spider web right here. That's super cool. Look at this. She's got a window here, lots of greenery, got a little leg showing. Love that. I love her sass. It's like she's almost looking at her project over here saying, yes. But I am loving, loving. She's got the yarn behind her head. Love this artwork. If you are a multi-craft person other than just a diamond painter or know someone that is a seamstress, this would be a great gift for them or for yourself. So, all right, let's talk about the details. I will grab my sticker sheet. Again, this entire thing is a sticker. It does have the original artwork right here. And what I do is I just cut this off. I put this in my logbook, and then I use these stickers for my storage containers. Again, it's the Seamstress by Femke Deborah. You can put your start date, your end date. It is a square. So all you square lovers out there, yes, it is a square. The diamond count is 81,600. The image size is an 85 by 60 in centimeters. And there you have your SKU number that'll also be on the drills. It's got 62 colors. Yes, a lot of great colors. It's got, and out of those 62, it's got 6 ABs, which stand for Aurora Borealis. And then she gives you some extra labels right here. We'll go over the color palette. We'll look at the drills, see where the ABs go. I just love this. What I realized looking at this painting and looking where the ABs go before I started filming, you can see where the light is coming in. A lot of Femke Deborah's work does that. I love that. And you'll see with the ABs, it definitely highlights that effect. But I like how the sun is coming in right there. So just keep that in mind when we're looking at the ABs. It's just a really, really cool effect in the painting, and they did a great job with it. So, all right. Oh, I even noticed there's like a note back here. I don't know what that says, but I love all the paintings. I always see little things that I did not see before. Okay, I'm just making sure there's nothing else I missed. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, so let's go ahead. Sorry, I got lost in the painting for a moment. It does happen. Okay, there are not one bag, but two, okay? And on here, on the bags, it does say 1/2, and then this one will say, let me get these right, 2/2. So I like that they've got them labeled. These are individually bagged and in order. So what you can do is, if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that. But if you're going to store these separate than your painting, Munimade does give you an awesome tag with a little elastic band. What you can do is you can actually put this in your bag of drills. Just put it right here in the bag if you're going to store them separately, and then you'll know what goes to what. Or you can use this tag to roll it around your diamond painting. Once it's rolled up, just put it around it. Or if you're going to purchase a telescoping carrying tube, you can put that on the strap. So this tag is really, really nice. It comes in handy for a lot of different things. All right, so here's the color palette. Let's just look at these. Beautiful, gorgeous, just, I mean, all of Munimade's artwork. It's just cozy, fun. Look at this. So warm. I love all the neutral colors. This is just going to be beautiful. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to see, I pulled out all the ABs, and we're going to see where all these ABs go. We've got 742, 743, which are both, the shades of orange. We've got a pink, 963 pink. We've got 5200, which is a white. This is a really neat color. It's like a seafoam green, but a really light one, almost like a gray green, 3072. And then we've got this really fun 166, like a lime green. Okay, so really some fun colors. So I will show you where all those go. All right, so let's start with the oranges, okay? There's a small bag of both of them. They're right next to each other. So if you're looking at the painting, again, we're talking about that light coming through right here. Okay, you can see it right here. Now, it's going to be right here in the painting. It's almost like the sun coming in on the desk is where these two colors are going to be together. I love that they're highlighting that area of the desk with the sun coming in, because she's got the brown desk that she's working on. So that's really, really nice. This pink, which is 963, is this is going to be highlighting her hair. Okay, so she's got some pink highlights throughout her hair. It's also going to be, which I think is really cool, it's going to be highlighting the pink yarn back here above her head. And also it's going to be in the yarn right here. And y'all, I'm not a seamstress, so if this is not yarn, I do apologize. The fabric, let's just say, or the material she's using, how about that? The material she's using, it's going to be highlighting that as well. There's that pink here, okay? I love it where they've decided to highlight these things. I'm going to put this in her hair because I think that's where a lot of it goes. All right, the 5200, the white. Now, they've used this to outline and kind of highlight some of the outlines of some of the areas. This is going to be kind of in the outline of the skirt right here. Okay. I also see it outlining right here, kind of the edge of her dress hanging down, her leg, the top of her leg. I also see it right here in her arm. Again, they were just kind of making the certain areas pop. It's in her hair, the white of her hair. I also see it over here. Sorry, I'm popping around over here on the outside of that fabric. I also see it, it's just kind of all over. I also see it over here, kind of highlighting the little white speckles of that, kind of like the sunlight that's coming in. You know, you see like, not the dust, but you know, the little particles that you see when you see the sun coming in through a window. They're going to be like right here. Also see it highlighting the leaves right here, the green of the leaves. I also see it right here in these flowers around the window. So this is just phenomenal. Yeah, I love it. Okay, we're just gonna put it over here in her hair, I guess. All right, it's kind of hard because it's all over. All right, this green is 166. This is the question mark. This is gonna be in the green of a lot of the flowers, the greenery that you see. Right here, highlighting the leaves of this greenery that's up on the shelf. I also see it right here in the green of the yarn. Also here in this green, wherever you see that lime green, the pop of green, the flowers are on the window, down here in these plants, down here. So I'm gonna put that like right there. Okay, this last one, yeah, this color is really neat. It's like a slate, kind of gray. I don't know, it's really confusing. I need to find a description for this word, or this color. Okay, that is the percent. I saw this it's right here, in this fabric that's, I guess it's a machine, y'all, I don't know. It's like spinning something. It's in this. It's highlighting this area and also right here, because I guess this is connecting here to here. So it's like right in this area here. All right, what do y'all think? Do you love it? I love it. And even though I'm not a seamstress, I love it. I love the craft room vibe, the crafting vibe of being a seamstress. I mean, you can tell she's in her own little world. She's enjoying her craft, which is what we do for diamond painting as well. So, and I love Femke Deborah's work. I just love it. All right, so let's talk about if you choose to do any premium upgrades, this is what you'll receive. Okay, you will receive a extra large purple dust cover. These are awesome. They have the drawstrings. It protects your diamond painting and storage, traveling. Very, very nice add-on. So you can add this on, okay? And if you want to upgrade your toolkit, which hint, hint, is a wonderful way to receive a Munimade tray, you will get the pale pink, or like a blush pink. This is just a sample. It'll be a lot bigger than this. You'll get a large pink tray with a lid and a stopper, okay? So, and with that, you also get an extra treat. You get an organza bag full of a novelty pin, blue wax, a cover minder, washi tape, tweezers, all kinds of fun stuff. And of course, as you know, if you do need a toolkit, she does offer a basic toolkit for free. So you just have to choose that. A lot of us don't need toolkits, so that's why they're not included. So if you need one, just go ahead and click that. That is free. And last but not least, there is a telescoping carrying tube. And that's what I was mentioning before. You can actually attach these straps. I have a lot of these in my storage in my closet of my craft room, and I actually put these on my strap, and that's what's hanging down so I can see what the painting is. So these are great. They are, like I said, telescoping. You just notch it. These are wonderful. So definitely add this to your cart, okay? And one more thing, if you do see artwork on Munimade's website that is sold out, there are back in stock alerts. So just click on the painting and just put your email in there and you'll get notified whenever it is back in stock, okay? If y'all can hear my voice right now and you can see this, you know what's gonna happen. This is available now on munimade.com. So go grab it, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.